Today we're going to be talking about how to load your bike on a Allen bike rack. They're similar but different depending on the straps on each bike rack, rear trunk rack, but it's kind of the same. And this is going to be especially for the female bikes that don't have the top long tube. You're going to need one of these. This one's from Allen. It came with the rack top tube. And I also recommend these wheel straps so that the tire doesn't move and hit the bike, and I'll show you an example when I put it on. Okay, so we have our bike rack here, everything open. You're always gonna want to put your bikes, if you only have one, you're gonna want to put it to the back. If you have two, obviously you're gonna use both of them, but you don't want to put just one up here to the back. It seems easier, but it's better here for the weight and the sturdiness of only having one bike. So we're going to start here with your bike. For this specific one, and there are different versions, this portion goes on the neck and this portion goes on the seat. We're going to take this pin out and we're going to slide this back. You don't have to take it all the way off. I'm going to put this right back here on the neck through the hole. Fold this part back up. It's going to go into the little slot. It's in there, but it's not in there. You're gonna get it into that little groove. There's a little groove right there. Okay, so that's not going anywhere. Then this portion, we're gonna pull it right up on the seat. Okay, now you have the bar for the male, like a male bike, or the top tube as they say. Okay, you have your kickstand, you're gonna put it up. You're gonna pick up the bike and you can rest it on here and then go ahead and transfer it to the back, just because of the weight, depending how much your bike weighs. Okay. All right. So up and over. Now we're gonna get it back to this part. Pay attention to where your pedals are at. If they're too far down, they're gonna hit the bumper. I normally like to keep it somewhere here, so this serves as a blocking, if possible. Let's see. You want to come on this side. Now you can see how the bike looks. Okay, you can see your pedals, where your pedals are at. Pedals not hitting anywhere, not hitting the bumper. Okay. Now for this specific style, I've changed these from here. It had the one that had some kind of fabric. So with this one, you're gonna pull it down. If you can get it to the first one, that's fine. Down, in, bring this one down. Use your thumbs, don't use your fingers. You might break a nail or something. In, okay, that's secure there. Okay. Now, like I said, you still have this. Okay, because your bike, as you brake and you hit the gas, it's gonna move. See, this has an adjustable strap, Velcro. Okay, this is so it won't open once you get it on there. Can't even squeeze it, and you put it down, so you squeeze it and release. So you have to adjust this depending on what bike you put it on and whatnot. And you want it to kind of be further back this way, not straight up. It'll just help. Okay, so if it doesn't reach, I'm Velcro this. Go around. Okay. Once you set it up one time, you'll be fine. All right, so that looks really good right there. If you have the extra, I wouldn't cut it off, because if you have a different bike or whatnot, you might need to use it, but it's fine. It'll just hang there. You see that? Stops that tire from turning. Okay. Pretty much you're all set after that. The removal process is reverse. You're gonna take this off first. Okay, so now you see the turn there. You're gonna pull down, up, put it to the back, down, up, slide it to the back, bring it forward, one more time, kickstand. I'll go from this way. We're gonna pull it back further, let it depress. Out, over, pin out, slide it out, and you're done. Okay. Any questions, go ahead and leave in the comment down below. And I hope this was helpful for you guys.